guys, Susan here again. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I showed you a while ago my iBook G4, and that was my introduction to Macs. Well, I'll link that video up there or somewhere up here and in the description box of this video in case you missed that one. Tonight I want to introduce you to my iMac. I have had this for a while now. It's a 21.5 inch late 2015 iMac, and past month or so, this has been the one I fire up first. I am getting addicted to Mac, okay? I had this as Big Sur OS, and I upgraded it to Mac OS Monterey, the newest one out. And the problem is, I've only got 8 gigs of RAM, and it is 1.6 gigahertz dual core Intel Core i5. Now Monterey is a chunky OS, okay, so it's dragging it down some. So I'm doing this video tonight because we are on the verge of upgrading this one to a better hard drive. Right now, the display is built in. It's 21.5 inch with the 1920 by 1080 display. And storage, I have a terabyte, but it's a SATA disk. It's a mechanical drive, and it is as old as this computer, okay? So it's a 2015, and it's getting really tired, and it's mechanical. It's not the quickest kid on the block compared to the processor as well, compared to the age of the machine. Everything is just getting slow. So I'm going to go back to Big Sur, and I am going to upgrade this hard drive with a 960 gig, I believe it is, SSD. So a solid state drive, so it's going to respond a lot faster. It's newer, it's sleek, it's sexy, and I can't wait. It takes this thing forever to boot up in the morning. I actually push the button, hear it gong, go have a shower, grab my coffee, come back, and it is finally at the desktop, and I don't like that anymore. I want it fast. I want it on. So, anyway, I just thought I'd give you a brief look around here. Most of this is available. I have 867 gigs still open, free. So, this is cool. But I am getting so used to the Mac way of doing things that for quite some time my PC has sat off. It's just off. I don't play on it or do much with it anymore.
Which is amazing.
But I would.
Give it to her.
I do. I do prefer editing my videos on my PC. That's just where I've been doing it. But I am going to be learning iMovie and maybe DaVinci Resolve on the Mac. My PC computer will not upgrade to Windows 11, which, from what I hear, I'm pretty thankful for. Problem is, there's a limited lifetime to all OSs. So Big Sur is good for another couple of years. Monterey is good for like maybe 5 more. Who knows what the future will bring. But this is going to give me some time to get a better functioning machine for a couple of years anyway, so I can save my pennies and get a really good machine that's a lot quicker than this kid. But I have quite a few apps on here already. Some of these aren't so great, so I'm glad to ditch them. We're going to scrub this drive clean. Start with a fresh install of Big Sur. And start fresh and clean. I am going to be a little sad. I have been working on one game. Where is it? Where's my game? Yes, Homicide Squad. This is a game I've been playing, and I am up to level 25, I think it is. And it's a lot of fun. Hidden objects, match 3 kind of game, and you evolve through the game and solve cases, etc. This is me up here. Yes, I'm at 25. Level 25. I've got a lot of experience, a lot of collections, a lot of stuff that I've been working on for a long while on this thing. So I'm going to lose that, but oh well, things have got to move on, right? So anyway, just to show you how this performs, let's just quickly go through something a little bit here. I won't even finish it. It's not going to take long at all. But I want to show you how it works currently, how fast it is, that kind of thing. Okay? So this is the kind of thing I'm talking about. It is mindless in a lot of ways, which I am glad of. Some days you just need to not even think. Okay? Just kind of click buttons, watch things just fly by and whirl, and it's great. But that is one thing. Okay, I do emails and surf and stuff. This is web safe, running the latest OS. It is secure on the net. And that's important to me as a YouTuber. I have to have up-to-date stuff, and go from there. But there we go. So, exit. Let's go. Anyway, so I have been using this for the most part for over a month, I'm sure. And it's actually a surprise to me because I was entrenched in PC world, and we used to be at loggerheads. Hubby and I used to be. He's staunch Mac, and oh, Macs are the greatest, and and I'd be like, no, PCs are better, and you know, we used to have the greatest debates. And he finally won me over after 17 years of marriage. But now I'm fully on board with Mac, and I can actually see myself in the future going solely with Mac if Windows is going to insist on being so picky as to hardware that is Windows 11 ready. They've set the bar so high that a lot of machines got cut off and are not qualified to run Windows 11. So to me, that's not a good move for a company to do. That is, I predict, going to give Mac a bigger part of the market share. So anyway, there you go. It is a beautiful iMac, and I'm just going to make it better and better until I can get into a better Mac, period. So anyway, that's all I had to share with you tonight. Is yeah, I've been on a Mac for the past month or so, and I am loving it. I love their desktop displays. They're just so colorful and fluid, and I can't tell you. I have recorded videos with the onboard cam, and they look awesome. There's no need to hang something over your screen, big bulky thing, and fight with optics from another company. Mac has the best optical stuff, the best display stuff, and rendering of everything. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this to an SSD and see how fast it boots after that. And I'm looking forward to a fresh start. This was upgraded from lower OS. It was upgraded to Big Sur and then again to Monterey. So I'm going to back it down to Big Sur because Monterey is a little bit much for this processor speed and only 8 gigs of RAM. And I can't upgrade the RAM beyond that. So what do, right? I have to work with what I've got until I can get a machine worthy of upgrading beyond that processor speed and RAM amount. So anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I just wanted to give you a quick peek at this machine, and I'll be back when I have the upgrade done. In fact, I am going to try and video the upgrade. In case you're wondering what's in the inside of this thing, you're going to see. So stay tuned for that video, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.